We started with glass 20 years ago, and now we have so many different capabilities in the diagnostic. This is really fantastic.
Guten Morgen, Christian.
Good morning, Janne.
Can I borrow you for a minute?
Yes, of course. Thank you.
So I actually have a couple questions about SCHOTT MINIFAB. When people think about SCHOTT, they often think of glass. So what is one thing that might surprise them about SCHOTT MINIFAB?
SCHOTT is usually glass, but SCHOTT MINIFAB dedicated to the diagnostic and life science industry. We have a global footprint in Europe, in America, and in Australia. But we have not only glass, we have also polymer solutions, we have hybrid solutions and advanced microarrays, which is usually used in a personalized medicine.
So speaking about personalized medicine, could you give me one simple example of how our glass is used in that field?
One good example is the next generation sequencing float cell, which we are producing here in Jena. It comes from a very precise glass with good optical properties and produced with our technical expertise, and is used in the sequencing and the immunotherapy diagnostic.
So Christian, how do we help our customers bring diagnostic innovations to market?
In SCHOTT MINIFAB we have like a one-stop shop, and we bring our ideas, our products as an idea to the market, and we are starting with prototyping and development, and afterwards we are scalable our production to 1 million pieces per year, which our customer can use then.
Oh wow, that's a lot. So I have a few more questions. You've been working in diagnostics for over 20 years, so what's one surprising thing you've learned since then?
We started with glass 20 years ago, and now we have so many different capabilities in the diagnostic. This is really fantastic.
Favorite free time activity?
Traveling?
So what's your favorite place to travel?
Australia or Iceland?
Nice. So we have locations in Australia and North America. So Australian coffee or American coffee?
No coffee, only tea.
German summer or Australian summer?
German summer.
I hear you're a bit of an ocean guy. Snorkeling or deep sea diving?
Deep sea diving?
When you were a kid, what did you want to be when you grow up?
I want to drive a steam train.
Oh, that's cool. What should be easier to diagnose in the future?
Complex disease like cancer or even other disease, and solved with our technology.
I would love to see that too. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.